Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how to fix iPhone swipe up not working. First of all, subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get new tech videos. Now let's start the video. Solution 1. Turn on access within app. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap control center. Turn on access within app. Solution 2. Reset all settings. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap General. On the General page, scroll down, tap Transfer Reset iPhone. Tap Reset. Tap Reset all setting. Enter your passcode. Again reset all setting in the pop-up window to confirm this process. Solution 3. Enable Control Center on the lock screen. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap Face ID and passcode. Enter your passcode. Scroll down, turn on Control Center. Solution 4. Restart your device. iPhone 8, 8 Plus, iPhone X, XS, iPhone 11, 12 and 13. Press and hold the side button. Press and quickly release the volume up button. Press and quickly release the volume down button. Thanks for watching this video.